These are the cosmic energy particles directly coming from Sun God, whom you can see with the naked eye. These are the golden, bright, dazzling white particles coming from Sun God. Concentrate on these particles. As you concentrate on these particles, they become brighter, 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 brighter. You feel the warmth. Allow these particles to condense to form a bright beam of light. Allow this beam of light to enter into your nostrils. Concentrate only on the beam of light. Take a deep breath. Allow the beam of light to enter into your chest. Take it enter into the abdomen. Allow abdomen is slowly and enlarging. Getting filled with energy. Oh.
Ma'am, you should unmute yourself. It's not audible.
Oh. Breathe in. 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 Now, your mind, which is outside the physical body, the auric body, is totally relaxed. It is metaphysical. It cannot be seen, but still the mind is totally relaxed. Because the energy from heaven and earth both have enriched your body, your mind, because you are concentrating on the divine energy from both the sources. Your mind is totally relaxed. Physical body has to relax. The energy from both the sources are concentrating in the chest and abdomen. Take the divine energy to different parts of the body so that the physical body can relax. Take the divine energy to scalp. Slowly relaxing, 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 relaxing. Now the divine energy is penetrating the scalp to reach the skull. All the bones forming a thick case to protect the brain. They are just relaxing, 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 relaxing. Now the energy is penetrating the skull to reach the cranial cavity, accommodating the brain. Slowly the energy, divine energy is reaching the surface of the brain. It slowly enters to the substance of the brain. As it goes deeper, deeper, deeper into the substance of the brain, the entire brain is totally relaxed. Brain is part of Visualize your throat. Organs in the throat is relaxing. Visualize your chest. Organs in the chest is below the chest, above the navel. All the organs in your upper part of the abdomen are relaxing. Visualize the lower part of the abdomen below the navel. All the internal organs here are just relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. All the internal organs in your physical body are totally relaxed. So visualize the back of your body. Back of the head is relaxing. Neck muscles are relaxing. Chest muscles are relaxing. Lumbar muscles are relaxing. Lower back muscles are relaxing. All the back muscles are totally relaxed. Visualize the backbone, a chain of bones, back down now the other. All these bones are slowly relaxing, 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 relaxing. Visualize the spinal cord within the backbone. It is also just relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Entire back is relaxed. Front and back of the body are relaxed. All the internal organs are relaxed. Your physical body, main body are relaxed. Internal organs are relaxed. Now visualize the appendages, organs, structures attached to your main body, hands and legs. Visualize the right hand from the shoulder to fingertips. All the muscles in your right hand are just relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Visualize the left hand from the shoulder to fingertips. All the muscles in your left hand are also just relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Both the hands are relaxed. Visualize the legs. Both the legs are provided with a large number of massive muscles because entire body weight has to be borne by the legs. Visualize the right leg from the hip to toes. All the muscles in your right leg are just relaxing, 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 relaxing. Visualize the left leg from the hip to toes. All the massive muscles in your left leg are also just relaxing, 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 relaxing. Hands are relaxed. Legs are relaxed. Now visualize your physical body from head to foot. The body which is visible to the naked eye. It is totally relaxed. From head to foot, it is totally relaxed. Mind is relaxed. Physical body also is relaxed. Now, the cosmic energy surrounding you is slowly channelized into your aura. Is slowly entering into your aura. Is gently filling up the entire your auric body. Auric body is slowly expanding, expanding, expanding. Expansion is due to your cosmic energy filling up your auric body. Slowly the energy is, divine energy is reaching all your chakras. From the chakras, the energy is reaching the physical body, the endocrine organs associated with the 7 chakras. And from the endocrine organs, the energy is spreading to each and every system in your body, each and every organ in your body, each and every tissue in your body, each and every cell in your body, each and every atom in your body. The entire auric body, chakras, endocrine organs, physical body, filled with the divine energy. The object of this meditation is to pray to Sun God to get his blessings. Now, just for few minutes, just feel the flow of energy in the form of warmth into your auric body, chakra, and the physical body. Sit quietly for a few minutes. Enjoying the divine power in yourself. It is in the form of warmth. Concentrate only on your physical body and auric body. Now, the purpose of this meditation is to get the blessings from Sun God. In East, we consider Sun as God. We call him as Lord Surya. Because he is the only God visible to the naked eye. Every day he comes to bless everything in this universe. We see Sun God rising in the early morning in every part of the world. We can see him with our naked eyes. He is blessing the entire universe with light. That light is falling on each and every thing that is there in the universe. The light is the source of energy. Energy is the divine energy. It is enlightenment. It is blessing each and every. The light is the source of energy, divine energy. It is falling at each part of this world. It is blessing. The energy is falling on the nature. It is taken by us also in the form of meditation. While we are meditating, we are receiving the cosmic energy in the form of divine energy, in the form of dazzling white light. We are also part of nature. We are existing in this nature, in this universe. Universe is filled with nature. Both animate, inanimate objects. Inanimate objects in the form of lifeless things. Animate with life. The plants, animals, and human beings. All of us are animate objects. We and the nature, inanimate objects. All of us are receiving the light in the form of divine light. All of us blessed every day. Every day we are receiving the divine energy from Sun God, who is visible to the naked eye. But he, in his turn, gets the energy from Narayana. Lord Narayana is keeping us with good health. He is always blessing all of us, but indirectly through Sun. That is why we call Surya Narayana. So Narayana indirectly blessing all of us through Lord Surya visible to the naked eye. So the visible Surya is Sun God. So we always worship him as God, especially in the East. Now, why the object of worshipping today? It's a great day for all of us to assemble in one place to receive the blessings from Lord Surya, benevolence from Lord Surya. Why today we are choosing? Because though we are part of nature, only the human beings are blessed with sixth sense, endowed with sixth sense. But some people, I am not blaming them, they have become greedy, they are destroying the nature, setting fire to forests, occupying the lake, ponds, etc., destroying the nature. God is not gone. Nature is in turn actually is becoming furious. It is like antibiotic. Antibiotic when you take, it is indiscriminately killing the bacteria which are the source of infection and also symbiotic bacteria within us. So we become defenseless. Similarly, nature when it becomes furious, it is destroying not only the culprits, also innocent people like us. We are also affected. So we request Lord Surya to bless all the people. You are showing your light to everybody. You are enlightening you are lighting the entire universe, both nature and also the human beings. So similarly, we request God to bless every one of us, both nature and both human beings, animals, and also the plants. Etc. We are the source. You are the source of light. You are the source of enlightenment. You are the source of divine energy. Don't discriminate the nature and us. All of us are in need of your blessings. We request you to bless the nature and also the human beings, animals and plants. Please, with your dazzling white light, divine light, to depollute the air. The air is fully polluted because of nature's fury. Please depollute the air so that both nature and the living beings will live in harmony hereafter. Destroy the infectious agents. Depollute the air. Please, I request, all of us are requesting you to depollute the air so that the air which we breathe becomes fully unpolluted, fully cosmic, divine, positive energy. There is no place for the negative energy at all. The negative energy is coming from nature. Remove the negative energy from the universe, bless the universe only with the positive energy, bless all of us also with the positive energy. Please, we all request, we are falling at the feet of Lord Surya, request Lord Surya to depollute the mind of the culprits who are destroying the nature now. Please bless all the people who are suffering now, even at the border, saving the country, people who are suffering because of the polluted air. Please bless all of us. Please bless the entire universe. Nobody in this universe created by the Supreme Soul, Creator, should suffer hereafter. We request for your blessings. You are full of love. God is the creator. Creator becomes mother. Mother doesn't punish anybody. Mother doesn't punish her children. We are your children. Please don't punish anybody. Bless everybody with benevolence and love. We request your love. The energy which is coming in the form of dazzling white light, should bring everybody only the unpolluted air, full of cosmic energy. The nature is blessed with the cosmic energy now. The animals are blessed with the cosmic energy. Plants are blessed with the cosmic energy. Source of water also blessed with the cosmic energy. We are also blessed with the cosmic energy. The entire air is purified. We are breathing the purified air. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Shanti nilava vendum. Atma Shakti Onga vendum. உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும். ஓம் சாந்தி, ஓம் சாந்தி, ஓம் சாந்தி. Keep your eyes closed for some time. Enjoy health and happiness in your body and the cosmos. Sita Lakshmi has got some verses. Bangalore Sita Lakshmi, can you hear?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, please chant.
I have to chant. I have to go to.
All of you, please listen to the mantra. This is exclusively for today. In place of Lord Surya.
योऽसौ वज्रधरो देवः आदित्यानां प्रभुर्मदः सहस्रनयनः सूर्यग्रहपीडां व्यापोहतु.
Please repeat.
One more time. You want me to?
Yeah.
योऽसौ वज्रधरो देवः आदित्यानां प्रभुर्मदः सहस्रनयनः सूर्यग्रहपीडां व्यपोहतुः.
Thank you, Mrs. Sita Lakshmi.
Welcome.
This mantra is supposed to be exclusively for getting the pure cosmic energy from Lord Surya. சூரிய கிரகணத்தன்னைக்கு இன்னைக்கு பண்ணினாக்கா நமக்கு நிறைய நன்மைகள் உண்டாகும். அதுக்காக இந்த மந்திரம் அவங்க ஜபிச்சிருக்காங்க. Get the benefit out of it. Please feel healthy and happy. Feel blessed with the Lord Surya's graham. You feel the flow of energy, divine energy from Lord Surya. Get the benefit out of it. Just thank God, thank Lord Surya. That Surya Narayana is the protector. Tirumurtigalல ஒருத்தர் வந்து for creation, Brahma, Narayana for protection, Shiva is not for destruction, for destroying the negative forces. So Lord Surya Narayana is blessing all of us through Lord Surya, whom we are seeing daily. Daily you can pray to Lord Surya in the early morning, so that you will get the benefit out of it. You will get the blessings from him. Let's always start with the Gayatri Mantram or just a small prayer according to your wishes to Lord Surya. Lord Surya. He is common to all of us. He is always there to bless us. The source of life, source of divine knowledge. I thank all of you, especially Sri Devi, for organizing this, and also Janani, her cousin, for making all of us join together. Thank you, Sri Devi.
Yes,
Devi?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can talk
As I
now.
proceed, yes, as I proceed with the vote of thanks, I request
Yes.
the host to give the to tune all of them in their video to take the commemorative photo. I thank Dr. P.S. Lalita ma'am for having guided us with this meditation, which is so empowering and divineful and blissful in nature. It is indeed glad to have a blessed guru like you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for Mr. Santosh who has put forth this idea during the solar meditation during solar eclipse. Thanks to our humble thanks to Mrs. Sita Lakshmi ma'am for chanting Surya Gayatri Mantra, which is benefiting each and every one of us. It is resonating in our each and every cells of our body. Thank you, ma'am. As you recite, we have actually felt the vibration in our body. Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
to the host, Ms. Janani, for the technical support and the moral support rendered towards our day. Thank you so much. Thanks to all the participants who have been responding immediately and for being patient with the technical things. Thank you so much to all of you. Let us be blessed with Lord Surya's blessings and Dr. P.S. Lalitama's blessings throughout our life and get ourselves back in our daily routines life. Thank you. Thanks to the universe. Thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Janani, please,
God
please
bless all of you.
unmute all of them.
Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.
I request everyone to be on. I request everyone to unmute the video and be for a commemorative photo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 So much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, all of you.
The meeting will end off.
Many have not unmuted their video.
Okay.
I have an entire page that just shows names.
Okay. I request all the people, all the participants to unmute their video. The meeting will end in 3 minutes.
In 1.5
Kindly request
minutes.
the participants. Yes. Please take the photograph, Ms. Janani.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, all of you. Thanks for being patiently.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yeah. Janani, can we go? Thank you, ma'am. Janani?
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Ma'am, Dr. Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Nice opportunity.
Thank you, Sridevi.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Sridevi, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
கடக்கமும் மயங்கிய மனநிலையும் வேண்டாம் அச்சம் நீங்கி நெகிழ்ந்த மனத்துடன் அதே வடிவத்தை பார்ப்பாயா அச்சம் தெரியல போட்டோவை காணோம்
இதுல இருந்து
यज्जुनं वासुदेवस्तत्तोवा रगं रूपं दर्शयामावेदमेनं भूत्वा पुनः सौर्य अगुत् महात्मा वासुदेवर ஈஞானம் அர்ஜுனனுக்கு எம்பி பெண்கள் அஞ்சலி சொல்றார்